Hello, this is Manuel Frias, and today we are gonna explain how to add the name tag. As we explained last week in our third partner meeting in Helsinki, this is very important in order to get our future system working. But what is this? What are we talking about? If you don't know what the problem is, I recommend you to click here so that you go to the other video where we explain what the problem is about. But shortly, we need the name of the layer. The link to the WMS service is not enough. We actually need the name of the layer to access the layer. So how do we do that? Well, we have three steps. The first one is to open the table in Workspace. You know, we have our workspace, Baltic LINes workspace. If you go to our workspace, if you go to this link, then you will see all the folders inside it. So you need to go to our Work Package 3. And here you have a table, Excel table called datasets and formats. And what you need to do is to open this dataset, this Excel table like this. You click on the three dots and then click on edit. This is very important because otherwise all the edits that you will do to the Excel table won't be saved. So click, it's gonna open. And here you see the table. What is the second step? The second step is to go to your country tab. So once you have the table open, you see that here there are a tab for each country. So imagine that you come from Estonia, here, and this is the information that we have gotten from you, and here you can see all the layers. I go to the beginning. All the layers. For example, this is administrative borders, national border, and here you have the WFS layer. Okay, but as I told you, this is not enough. What we need is that you add the name of this national administrative border here. The third step is that you add the name of the layer. How do you do this? Okay, so imagine that you want to add the name of this national administrative border. So what you need to do is to copy this link, WMS. Yes, copy, Control C, then you go to your browser, you paste it, and then you will get the XML of the layer. And now you search for the name tag. For example, I click on Control F, I write name. Like this, and then I will find 22 tags with the name. So for example, this I go to, if I know that this is the national administrative border in Estonia, which if you are from Estonia, if you are the data specialist, you will know, then you just write exactly here. You can copy, go to the Excel, and then say, this is it. I'm going to give you another example of Germany. So in Germany, here we are in Germany, and then I want to get the XML of the telecommunication and data cables. So you copy and paste this link into your browser, or you just click it. Maybe you can just click it. I can click it from here. And you see, this is an example where you cannot access the XML of this layer. So you cannot actually see the name of the layers inside the XML. So what to do when you have a link that doesn't access the XML to the get capabilities? Well, you have to know the link of the get capabilities. If you don't know, you should ask. You are the data expert. But if you still don't know, we can help you with this, because sometimes what you can do is to add a parameter to this link. So in this case, you would add this one. You would add, I have it here actually. You would add these parameters, service, WMS, and request equal get capabilities, and then you get the whole XML. And now you can search for the name tag. I have it here. You write here name. You click on Ctrl F in your browser. I'm using Chrome. Then you will see. Here is it. So here it is. Then you see if this is, well, I'm looking for data cables, right? So let's look for, you should know this, but if you don't know, here, for example, imagine that this is the one I want. I just copy here, and then let's go to the, and then I will add it here. You see? Okay, so that's it. I hope this has been useful, and if you have any question, please contact us. So thank you. Goodbye.